Alright, so I just got rigged up. The river's right there. I'm gonna whoop and just hop in right there and see if I can't catch a couple fish. I'm gonna show you what I have rigged up real quick, just kind of get down and dirty with what I'm actually gonna be using today. So yeah, that's the drop shot. That's what I'm going with. Really simple, not too long of a leader. I got shallow water. Next is gonna be a shaky head on a trick worm. Simple. Just keeping it simple. I've done very well in the past on this exact worm, so that one should do me good today. This one, a little Lucky Craft square bill. This thing is just dynamite. I think it'll be money today. Search bait. And then the bait I'm going to start out with, we're going to try to catch a big fish here early on a big buka wake bait. See if I can't. It might be a little windy and they might not be focused on the big bait presentation, but maybe we can get a good smallmouth on this guy right here. That's what I'm working with today. I just saw a fish blow up like right on shore, so I'm gonna put my rods in my pack and get on down there, and we're just gonna catch some toads today. I got a feeling today is gonna be a pretty freaking good day, so let's get after it. Spot is a little overgrown. Doesn't look like anybody's really fished it in a long time. Like a long time, so let's just see. Rock outcrop. This looks good right now. My first time ever fishing this river was right here, and I caught a smallmouth on a topwater. An absolute chunk. Let's see if this wake bait won't do anything right now. Bet you this water's pretty cold. We are wet waiting today. Yeah, she's cold. It has been known to get lower than it is right now, but this is certainly fishable. We got a really good chance today. I think we can make it happen. Oh, he missed it. I just had a big blow up. I heard it. I didn't see it. Definitely it was a fish. I don't know what it was, but my guess is a smallmouth. I've thrown big baits here before, and you know, and had success. So that's my guess. Oh, that seemed big, but oh my God, is it a pike? Oh, I thought I had a trout. That could have been what hit my bullshit. The first victim, look at him just sitting there. See if we can get him a little closer. Now these fish are definitely pain because they're just a hook in the hand waiting to happen. Oh, he hit the camera. Son of a nutcracker. Wow, he got that thing. No doubt that he get that thing. Nice little pike. Yeah. It's hard because I'm like standing in the water and I just don't want to set all my stuff down, but like there's no way in hell I'm sticking my hand in his mouth. He's got 3 trebles. So we're resorting, but every time I grab him, he freaks out. So I thought I had a brown trout. No, I'm not gonna lie, I thought I had a goddamn brown trout. I don't. Ah, well, that came out. He got it out himself, basically. Ah, okay, finally. And this is the first victim. This could have been what hit my... Oh, there he goes. You can still see him. I dropped him.